Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be discussing the life and philosophy of Auguste Comte, a French philosopher who is widely considered to be the founder of sociology. Comte lived from 1798 to 1857, and he developed a philosophy known as Positivism. Positivism is a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of scientific inquiry and empirical observation. Comte believed that the scientific method was the only reliable means of understanding the world, and that knowledge should be based on facts and evidence rather than speculation or intuition. Comte's philosophy was heavily influenced by the social and political changes of his time. He lived during a period of great social upheaval in France, and he believed that society was in a state of crisis. He argued that the traditional order of society was breaking down, and that a new social order needed to be established. Comte believed that sociology was the key to understanding and improving society. He argued that sociologists should study social phenomena objectively, using the same methods as natural scientists. He believed that sociology could provide the knowledge necessary to improve social conditions and create a better society. In addition to his contributions to sociology, Comte is also known for his concept of the religion of humanity. He believed that society needed a new system of beliefs to replace traditional religion, which he saw as outdated and superstitious. He proposed a new religion based on reason, morality, and social progress, which he called the religion of humanity. Comte's philosophy had a significant impact on the development of sociology and social science more broadly. His emphasis on scientific inquiry and empirical observation helped to establish sociology as a legitimate academic discipline. His concept of the religion of humanity also had an impact on later thinkers, particularly in the development of secular humanism. In conclusion, Auguste Comte was a philosopher who emphasized the importance of scientific inquiry and empirical observation and understanding the world. He is considered to be the founder of sociology, and he believed that sociology could provide the knowledge necessary to improve social conditions, to create a better society. His philosophy has had a profound impact on the development of sociology and social science, and his concept of the religion of humanity has influenced later thinkers in the development of secular humanism. Thank you for attending today's lecture.